Good evening, everybody. It's Angela and David from Wyllie's Travel Adventures.
Hello there.
I hope you're all well tonight. We haven't been on for a long time. David hasn't been too clever recently, and he's still not right yet. But we're off on our holidays tonight. We start off at Manchester Airport. We're staying at the Ibis Hotel, which is on the airport's grounds. We're getting the train at 8:30 from Carlisle. It takes 2 and a bit hours. So at least it's a bit more relaxing than driving, because I've been at work all day.
I'm not well.
Yes, and David's not. So yeah, so what we'll do is we'll do a quick update on the train, and then once we get to the Ibis Hotel, the tempers will be a bit afraid because we'll not know where we're going. But yeah, we'll do a room tour and everything when we get there. We should get to the hotel about, I would say, 11:15, wouldn't you agree? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see you all later. We just thought we'd better come on and say hi, because we haven't been on for a long time.
Hi.
So we'll see you all at the railway station later on.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.
Good
evening, everybody. Well, we're finally on the train. Now our 8:30 train was cancelled, so we got the 9:30 one. So we get in at what time is it? About 11:45. Yeah, so we're all going to be worn out when we get there, but it is what it is. Coming into Lancaster now, then it goes to Preston and Manchester after that, so it's not too bad. So we'll all see you when we get to the Ibis, and I'll do a room tour before I go to bed. So we'll see you later.
Passengers this train for Preston.
See you later.
See you later.
He's away with the fairies. See you later. We're at the Ibis finally, and we're in room 715. We just knock on the door.
Come in if you can get in.
It's a budget hotel. It's a fairly new hotel. I think it was only just built over a year ago, but quote me if I'm wrong. So basically, this is it. Don't make me laugh, David.
Okay.
So we can't really see out. Well, we can see bits and bobs outside. So this is the beds, 2 single beds. Our bag's either one on the outside, because I'll be going to the loo the most. So you've got a little desk for businessmen doing their work. Not that they could, oh yeah, not that they could fit much work on there. You've got a shelf along the top.
A TV.
You've got 2 hangers.
Oh, yeah. You've got
4 hangers. 4 hangers. So we'll come to the bathroom and see what it's like in there. Oh, the bathroom's quite nice. You've got your toilet and your sink and a lighty up mirror, some towels and a walk-in shower. So there's your walk-in shower. I had it on close up there, and basically if you're just putting your head down ready for your flight on the next day, it's fine. You couldn't stay here for a week for definite. It's only a night job, I think. But yeah, that's it, the Ibis Budget Hotel at Manchester Airport. You'll be falling over each other. Yeah, but it's nice. It does the job for the night. It's now, what time is it, David, now?
It's 12:10.
10 past midnight. So we're going to say good night, everybody. And we'll see you in the morning when we get up.
And fly to Egypt.
And then we fly to Egypt. And we're not even in a lounge this year because EasyJet are a bit funny with the timings for the baggage drops off, so we don't have time for a lounge. So we'll see you all in the morning. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.